What's going on, y'all? Check it out. We doing fried green tomatoes today. But guess what? We are frying these. But anyway, let's get it.
And while you here, don't forget to give me that LSS. What's that you say? That's that like, share, and subscribe. That like, share, and subscribe. And if this is your first time here, glad you're here. Hope you become part of the LSS family, y'all. Cause we love tasty.
So of course, the first thing we gotta do, we gotta rain on them. Hit them with that salt. And we just gonna let that soak in and sit for about 5 to 10 minutes. And of course, we gonna salt both sides. And while we wait, we might as well get our breading station set up. So let's go ahead and get our eggs whipped up. Now we got flour and we also have potato flakes. So of course we had to season our flour and our potato flakes with a little bit of that Tony Chachery. And then we got our tomatoes in. So we're gonna go flour first. Then straight into that egg. And once we come out of that egg, we're gonna move our potato flakes to the front and get it into them potato flakes, y'all. Them potato flakes give a real nice crisp. I guarantee you'll love them on here. Next, we're gonna get them on a cooling rack and just let them sit and chill out for a minute. Give them about 5-10 minutes, you know. And we're gonna hit them with a little olive oil on top and then put them down, olive oil side down, in our air fryer. Now, whatever type of air fryer you got, just make sure you put the olive oil side down first so you can hit that other side with that olive oil. Shut that lid and get that cooking at 375 degrees for about 12 minutes. And of course, halfway through, we gotta give it a flippy flip. And after that 12 minutes, look what we got, y'all. Got them great fried, air fried green tomatoes. So I added me a little sriracha meal on the side, and then I cut into them tomatoes, y'all. And oh yeah, so tasty, y'all, so tasty. But anyway, you know what time it is. Love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.